What's up there, lawn care enthusiast? Brett Burkholder here with another video about how you might make your lawn look nice for the summer. Maybe you said, this is the year I'm going to make my lawn look nice, or maybe you're just trying to make it look better. Then I have some suggestions for you. Here are a few things I usually bring along to help make sure that the lawn looks nice. Okay, first of all, got my trusty weed eater here. Okay, Black & Decker, nothing special, but pretty good for residential use. Not too powerful, has just enough power. Got my blower here. Okay, always good to make sure you clean up afterwards, makes the job look nice. Got a few 18-volt rechargeable batteries. Of course, you gotta have your eye protection. Here's my special pouch. Got some tools in there, some screwdrivers, gardening shears, hand pruners. Next thing, of course, sunscreen. Gotta have the gardening gloves or work gloves. P.S. If you're not wearing these out with some holes, you're not working hard enough. And I have a trusty hat. Thermos, metallic, insulated, keep you cool. And then one of my last things, of course, trusty weeding bucket. So now, you gotta pull some weeds. If you're not pulling some weeds, then you're not working hard enough. You know what I mean? Oh, and of course, my trusty push mower. Nothing special. Brazen Stratton motor. Gets the job done. I thought I'd show you today a little bit about a customer I just recently acquired. I'll take you through the steps of what I often do to try to make it look nice. I'll show you around the place a little bit. I'll probably show you one or two weeds that I'll probably try to take care of, and then I'll try to show you what it looks like when I'm finished. First, I'm going to show you some of the good grass that he has. It's some nice Bermuda. Okay, so that's always a good start, having good grass to start off with. Okay, but you can see he has quite a few patches of some Dallas grass growing up. That's some pretty nasty stuff. I won't be able to take care of all that, but I'll start digging out a little bit at a time. And you can definitely tell that it's Dallas grass by this ugly head. Okay, that is not good. You do not want that. You need to dig that out as soon as you can. Otherwise, okay, you'll see this proliferating in your yard. I'll show you a little bit of the garden bed. Some weeds growing out through the side of the bushes. Not a very good defined line for his weed bed, for his garden bed. So I'll pull out some of these weeds, definitely dig those up. That dandelion right there, I'll take that out. And then finally, what you definitely don't want to see, weeds in the cracks. So I'll try to pull those out. So what a lot of times I'll do is I'll start with one of the easiest weeds or one of the most noticeable ones, especially near the cracks here or near the sidewalk or the driveway, like so. As you can see here, I dug out this Dallas grass weed, got it all. You can see the roots right there. Now, what I often do is take my screwdriver once I pull that weed out, see right there, and I'm going to take my screwdriver and I'm going to start pushing the screwdriver back in and pushing it forward to make sure that all this grass and dirt that I've dug up is starting to be pushed back together. So that way it can repair itself. There's not a big hole that's left right there, and then it pretty much will look like there hasn't even been a weed there in a couple weeks once it starts to regrow. Now I'd say this is a pretty good haul of weeds. What do you think? Well, I'm back home now. Sorry I didn't get a chance to finish showing you the rest of what I had finished. Maybe I'll show you a picture or two. The weather got pretty hairy. Had to get out of there pretty fast. So, happens here in the South. Alright, thanks for watching.